Hello, welcome to this COVID-19 awareness program. In this video, we will see COVID-19 registration FAQs. Means we will see the frequently asked questions. These questions might be appearing in your mind also. What to do, how to do, all of these questions we will answer about COVID-19 vaccination registration. This video is brought to you by Rashtra Kalyan Samiti, which is dedicated for the welfare of the nation. It is an NGO, Jharkhand-based NGO, which is working in varieties of field for the upliftment of marginal section of the society. And I am Ashutosh Kumar Garg, and I am Joint Secretary of Rashtra Kalyan Samiti. Okay, so let's get started. So the first question which might arise in your mind is, where can I register for the COVID-19 vaccine? So what's the answer? The answer is you can log in to CoWIN portal using the link www.cowin.gov.in and click on register or sign in yourself tab to register for COVID-19 vaccination. So this is a website. This is a CoWIN portal where you have to go and you have to register yourself for COVID-19 vaccination. I think this should be clear. Just keep this in mind that you're going to this website www.cowin.gov.in. Okay, so now let's move to the next part. Now the next question which may arise in your mind is that, is there any mobile app that needs to be installed or to register for the vaccination? The answer is no. There is no authorized mobile app. You might see some unauthorized mobile apps which give you the link finally to the same CoWIN portal, but authorized mobile apps are not there for this COVID-19 vaccination registration, except for the fact that you may also use Arogya Setu. You must be aware of this, that Arogya Setu is a very famous app. This went on record of maximum downloads in a day. So this app can also be used to register yourself, but you do not need to install it for registration. You can directly go to CoWIN portal and you can register there. But yes, if you are already using Arogya Setu app, there also on this Arogya Setu app also you can register for your vaccination. Okay, now let's come to the next part. Next part is, which age group can register for the vaccination on CoWIN portal? All the citizens whose age is above 18 years. There is no limitation. If you are above 18 years of age, you can register for the vaccination, whether you are in the bracket of 18 years to 44 years or 45 years to above, right? So whether you belong to any of these category, doesn't matter. You can register yourself through this CoWIN portal. I hope this is clear. Now let's come to the next point. Next question which might come in your mind is online registration mandatory for COVID-19 vaccination? The answer is yes, it is required to register yourself on CoWIN portal, especially for your own benefit, for your own you are going to get benefited by it. You are going to have a free flow process of vaccination if you register through the CoWIN portal. But yes, there are certain vaccine centers which provide for a limited number of on-spot registration also. So there are vaccination centers where you may directly go and you may register yourself on spot. Yes, and but there is a certain number of limited number of registrations of on-spot registrations every day. This option is available. Citizens who are aged above 45 years and above can schedule appointment online. They can schedule appointment online also, and they may walk into vaccination centers also. So they may directly go to vaccination center and they may do the on-spot registration. But is it true for the persons above the age of 18 also, or within the bracket of 18 to 44 years also? No. Those citizens whose age lies between 18 to 44 years, they have to mandatorily register themselves and schedule an appointment online before going to vaccination center. So if you are in the age bracket of 18 to 44, you cannot avail the facility of on-spot registration. You have to register yourself on the CoWIN portal, and then only you can schedule your vaccination. Yes, this has to be kept in mind. But in general, what is the condition? In general, all the citizens are recommended to register online and schedule vaccination in advance for the hassle-free vaccination experience. So it is for your own benefit. If you want to experience the hassle-free vaccination, you must register your vaccination and schedule your vaccination online before going to the vaccination center. This is for your own benefit, for your own hassle-free experience of vaccination. Now coming to the next point, how many people can be registered in the CoWIN portal through one online number? If you have only one mobile number, if you have only one mobile number, how many people can register through that? The answer is maximum 4 people, up to 4 people can be registered for vaccination using the same mobile number. And these 4 people need not be your family member. They may be your neighbors also. They may be your friends also. No problem in that. So with one mobile number, you may register up to 4 people for the vaccination. What is the benefit of this? That we'll see in some upcoming next slides. Now, next point, how can citizens with no access to smartphones or computers manage online registration? Suppose you do not have the access of internet, you do not have access of smartphones, then how can you register, or how can you do the online registration of your vaccination? The answer is, that is why 4 people criteria has been given, that up to 4 people can register themselves through one mobile number. So what you can do, if you do not have access to mobile phones, if you do not have access to the smartphones, you do not have access to computer, you do not have access to internet, just take the help from those people in your neighborhood who have these access. Just go to them and tell them to register for yourself, for you, and you will be able to register yourself through their mobile number, and you will be able to get the vaccination. So citizens are requested to take the help from friends or family for online registration. So if you are not having the access to internet through any means, you should take the help of friends or family members for online registration. Okay, now coming to the next point, can I register for the vaccination without Aadhaar card? Yes, there are many other identity proofs which can be used to register yourself for the vaccination. So what are the different ID proofs which you may use? The answer is Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, passport, pension passbook, NPR smart card, and voter ID card. All of these cards can be used for the registration of the vaccination without having the Aadhaar card. Okay, so these are the alternatives which you have. Now the question is there any registration charge to be paid? The answer is no. There is no registration charge. This vaccination is fully free at all the government vaccination centers. Yes, the private centers may charge up to 150 rupees as their processing charge, but for government centers, this is completely free. So you do not have to pay any registration charge for this registration for the vaccination. Okay, now at the end, about Rashtriya Kalyan Samiti, it is an NGO based in Jharkhand, and we have been doing a lot of work for the upliftment of marginal section of society, especially in the tribal areas, especially in the field of women education, their training to be self-employed, children education in those areas where we do not have formal education. Still there are many areas where we do not have formal education. We have been opening free schools for them. Many areas of Jharkhand, they have been operating there. So if you want to volunteer for this noble cause, you may contact on this number given. Our head office is in Maheshpur Pakur. The mobile number for the head office of Pakur is already given here. And in Jharkhand state office is in Bandhunagar, Birsa Chowk, Ranchi. Here, the number is also given. You may contact through any of the numbers. Our team is as follows: Manoj Kumar, Secretary; Vishwaranjan Kumar, President; and Rohit Parmar, Treasurer. Finally, thanking you for watching this video. Please share these videos so that everyone can know about these important points regarding the registration for the COVID-19 vaccination. Thanking you once again. Now I'm signing off.